So, you are a local tour operator. You organize bicycle tours, walking tours, motorbike tours, car tours, any tours. You know your area very well. You have your routes and partners, restaurants, hotels, museums, wineries, rentals, shops, the places that your customers visit and enjoy during the tour. You have several tour guides as well. You could be a tour guide yourself. Now you entrust the routine duties of a tour organizer, booking manager, and tour guide to an advanced digital platform. This is DGtalguide. It leads customers along the route, controls the timing, and makes sure that your clients arrive everywhere on time. Provides all the necessary content in any format in any language. Makes all the reservations automatically. Introduces your customers to your partners. Helps in case of emergency.
How can I help you?
Yes, it does everything the guide does on tour. It works any day, anytime, and costs next to nothing. With DGtalguide, you can sell all your tours every day. You don't depend on the availability of tour guides anymore, and you don't need to gather a group. The DGtalguide platform organizes each tour automatically and individually. Leave the most interesting work to yourself. Create awesome tours. Let DGtalguide sell, organize, and guide them. Sound unbelievable? Book a 20-minute online demo to learn how to adapt your travel business for the new generation of travelers.